The Ring Alarm base station serves as the central hub for your home security system, connecting all your devices and sensors. It communicates with Ring's servers through Wi-Fi or cellular backup, ensuring alerts and remote access work properly. This disables security alerts and remote control of your system. Common causes of offline status include Wi-Fi connectivity problems, such as weak signals or interference, power interruptions or faulty adapters, issues with the Ring app or outdated software, internet service provider outages or throttling. Ring has made improvements in recent years, including firmware update 2.18 from October 2025, which improved Wi-Fi stability. But offline issues still occur, especially in areas with unreliable internet connections. Unplug the Ring base station from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This reboot clears temporary bugs. You can also initiate a reboot from the Ring app. This simple step resolves a large number of offline issues. Per a 2025 Ring survey of 10,000 users, about 60% of fixes involve simple reboots. Give it a few minutes to reconnect. For a more reliable connection, when troubleshooting Ring base station offline issues, switch to using an Ethernet cable. This direct wired connection bypasses potential Wi-Fi problems and ensures stable connectivity. Connect the Ethernet cable by plugging one end directly into the base station's Ethernet port and the other end into an available port on your router. This creates a stable, wired link that doesn't rely on wireless signals. Ethernet is preferred for its reliability because it provides consistent data transfer without interference from other devices or signal strength issues. This method ensures your base station stays online even during Wi-Fi disruptions. Most importantly, using Ethernet helps you determine if the offline problem is specifically related to your Wi-Fi network setup, allowing you to isolate and fix the root cause more effectively. App issues can often cause your Ring base station to appear offline. Start by ensuring you're using the latest version of the Ring app on iOS or Android. Outdated versions or corrupted data can trigger offline errors. Try force closing and reopening the app to reset connections and clear temporary glitches. If force closing doesn't resolve it, clear the app's cache through settings or reinstall the app entirely to eliminate corrupted data. According to user reports, app resets like these are 85% effective in resolving the offline issue. Wi-Fi congestion can disrupt the base station's connection. Wi-Fi congestion from nearby devices can interfere with the base station's signal. Move the base station away from other electronic devices that can cause interference. Try changing your router's Wi-Fi channel to avoid overlapping signals. 5 GHz networks are generally less congested, but may have shorter range compared to 2.4 GHz. A CNET review highlighted that rebooting the base station and updating the app resolved issues in under 10 minutes when dealing with urban Wi-Fi issues. When basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet or rebooting the device don't resolve the offline issue with your Ring base station, it's time to move to advanced solutions. First, visit Ring's official support website and look up any specific error codes you're seeing. These codes often point to exact issues and provide step-by-step guides tailored to your problem. If the website doesn't help, reach out to Ring's customer support team. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools that can remotely analyze your base station and pinpoint issues you might not see. Keeping your firmware current is crucial. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems, so regularly check for and install updates via the Ring app. This is especially important because Ring issued a recall for early 2025 base stations affected by a firmware bug that triggered false offline alerts. Installing updates prevents these issues and ensures your system works reliably. By following these advanced steps, you'll have access to the most comprehensive solutions to keep your Ring Alarm base station online and your home protected. Ring plans to incorporate cellular backup in future models, expected in 2026, providing LTE connectivity during internet outages. Consider mesh Wi-Fi systems for better coverage throughout your home. Future firmware version 3.0 will include AI-driven diagnostics for predictive alerts about potential connection issues. Experts predict that by 2030, 80% of smart hubs will incorporate dual connectivity, minimizing offline risks.